Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the connection timed out error on your Minecraft server. So let's get started. Step 1. First of all, click on the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, type the following command, bash copy. Edit ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. This will flush your DNS, which can help resolve connection issues. Step 2. Next, go back to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open it and then click on Network and Sharing Center. From here, click on Change Adapter Settings on the left panel. Now, right-click on your Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and then click Properties again. Here, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the following values. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8 alternate. DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes. And that's it. Your issue should now be fixed. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you still face any issues, and I'll try to help you out.